Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of prompt engineering. In this video, we'll be discussing about perspective prompting. So before we start the video, let me just demonstrate this lab to you real quick. So we'll be using different perspectives and prompts to get different suitable outputs from ChatGPT. And we'll also be applying prompt engineering techniques to improve our output. So yeah, if we move forward, the first question that should be arising in all of your guys' mind, it should be, what is basically perspective prompting? So the perspective prompting is actually a framework that can broaden your understanding and provide a more comprehensive view of topic at hand. This can really help you make more informed decisions and have a better understanding of complex issues. So let's just say if you have a topic and you have 3 to 4 guys who have different perspective on that topic. So obviously every other guy thinking will be different. One guy will be understanding that situation differently, other will be understanding that differently and differently that. So basically through this prompting, we can get an idea of different topics through different perspective or different people, right? So this is what this prompting does. So yeah, just like the other prompting, this one also has a proper prompt formula. So first of all, you can use it as a singular perspective. You can simply type in a prompt to please write about a topic. You're going to give that topic to that from a perspective of viewpoint, and you're going to type in your viewpoint. And then you can also use ChatGPT to ask for multiple perspectives, right? So you can just type in a single prompt and you can ask multiple perspectives of multiple characters or people of your single topic, right? So these will be a few of the examples that we'll be doing today. We'll be asking you to discuss about kickboxer from different perspectives, and for the multiple ones, we'll be asking ChatGPT about genetically modified organisms, aka GMOs, from different perspectives. And we also have given the characters or perspective of the people that we want, which are basically farmer, consumer, and geneticists. All right, so let's just not waste any time and let's jump right into our ChatGPT. All right, so first of all, starting with the first example, which will be singular perspective, we'll type in the formula for that please write about the topic from the perspective of viewpoint, and we already knew our topic, which was kickboxer. All right, so as you guys can see, selling as a complete detailed version of kickboxer from a perspective of kickboxing coach, and which has mastered the fundamentals, which has trained for strength and conditioning, improve flexibility. So those are basically very much kickboxer coach oriented. So if you can type in the same prompt now but with a different perspective, so this time we'll ask him to write everything the same but with the perspective of a human anatomy expert. So let's just see what it will do for us then. Alright, so as you guys can see now, the points that it has given to us are very much more like of health based and anatomy based. So as you guys can see, develop strong shoulders and arms, train neck strength, pay attention to joint health. So these are very much basically, the health based points. So yeah, let's just dive into our next example, which was of multiple perspective. We'll ask him to write an argument against genetically modified organisms that consider multiple perspective. We also asked him to include the names and points of view of different perspective, which will be a farmer, a consumer, and geneticist. So we have added different perspectives, but just in a single prompt. So let's just see if it can do that for us or not. Yeah, so as you guys can see, it just gave us 3 different perspectives. Perspective 1 was of farmer, the second one was of consumer, and third was of geneticist. Yeah, so from here it is a lot clear to us. So you can use 3 different perspectives or as many perspectives as you want in a single prompt, and it will work that out for you with no problem at all. So yeah, that was basically it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you do, don't forget to check out our more videos, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See you, bye bye.